Hello, in front of me I've got OnePlus 10T. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet. Select Explore Wallet. And from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card. Check quick tips. And add passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. Next you can go to menu, and from here you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to Pay Setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. In participating banks you can check full list of participating banks in Google Wallet. And in Password Manager you can manage all passwords saved on your Google account. In your data in Wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. And in Wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, and enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.